Hey guys, welcome back to Oliver Plays. Today I'm going to show you 6 really cool recipes for really cool foods. You need pretty much exact recipes. So for the first one, we're gonna need, it's gonna be clam chowder. So for clam chowder, we're gonna need a hearty blue shell snail, fresh milk, goat butter, to bantha wheat, and then goat butter. Has to be in that exact order and those exact ingredients. Hearty clam chowder restores your health and temporarily increases your maximum hearts. The nutritional value of the hearty blue shell snail combines with butter and milk in a rich soup. Okay, the next dish is, what was it? I know what it is, I'm just tricking you. It's nut cake. So you need any kind of nut, Chicolo tree nut or an acorn, doesn't matter. It'll make the same thing. I find acorns a lot more often, so I do acorns. And then you need to bantha wheat, goat butter, and cane sugar. Usually need it like that. And then you'll get a nut cake. These aren't like all the healthiest ones. These are just really cool ones I'm showing you, not like the healthiest ones. The next one is a carrot cake. Carrot cake. So swift carrot. What you need is a swift carrot, to bantha wheat, goat butter, cane sugar. Now make hasty carrot cake. You could do Endura carrots. I find swift carrots more often, so I'll do swift carrots. And the next one is pumpkin pie. So you need a fortified pumpkin, to bantha wheat, goat butter, and cane sugar. And that'll make tough pumpkin pie. The only way that's the recipe you have to make it. You can't make it any other way. Because that's the only pumpkin in the game is fortified pumpkin, so you can't make it like a hasty pumpkin pie. Why do I have duress protection turned off? There. So the next one is fruitcake. So what you need for fruitcake, apple or wild berry. I find apples more often, but I just do wild berries anyway. Mighty bananas, any kind of fruit besides hydromelon. And to bantha wheat and cane sugar. That'll make a fruitcake. So you can't use hydromelon because that would make something else. I forgot what it was. I tried it before. So for apple pie, you need apple, to bantha wheat, goat butter, and cane sugar. There we go. That's it. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to end the video right